Welcome back. Well, more rain in the forecast, but at least on the flip side, our temperatures haven't been too bad. 83 for the high yesterday, 87 today. We'll be in the mid-80s again tomorrow. So let's get over to the key well. Let's talk about your rainfall. 8.15 inches so far this month. It's not a top 10 month, and the last couple of Julys have been pretty dry. Of course, last summer we had that heat wave and the drought, but you just go back to 2021, we had over 13 inches of rain. Third wettest July on record. Hopefully we don't get close to that. We still have about a week to go in the month, so we'll see how it plays out. Over an inch officially at the airport, ahead of schedule for the month, and we're about 5 inches in the surplus side so far for the year. But as we move forward, rain chances still on the high side, but look what they're going to be doing. They're going to be trending downward as we head into next week, and that is the good news. So as we take a look at the upper level pattern, the water vapor still same story, upper level trough, weak frontal trough right here. That's engendering shower and thunderstorm activity. We have Pacific moisture, Gulf moisture feeding in, and thus it's been very wet across much of the Gulf Coast from the upper Texas coast all the way over to the Florida Panhandle. And tonight things are quieting down for now, but we know in this type of pattern we're going to see flare-ups developing during the overnight hours, maybe offshore or inland. It's dealer's choice, atmospheric dealer's choice, and we may see that develop later on tonight. Here's the last 12 hours on Power Doppler 3 here, showing the showers and some embedded thunder moving across the area. No severe weather. That's the good news. And things are pretty much quiet at this hour, but some locally heavy downpours. Some folks picking up an inch or two of rain, but things have quieted down. Here's the rainfall, though. You can see where the heaviest rain axis is. Once you get into yellow, you're pushing 4 inches of rain from central Louisiana, western Louisiana. You're in the 5 to 7 inch range, and even higher than that along the upper Texas coast and just offshore, thankfully. But this is the area that's had a lot of rain. This is just the last of 24 hours. You could copy and paste this going back 2 or 3 days back. So there is flood watches from southwest Louisiana into southeast Texas. Weather Service just discussing they may move that farther to the north with time as we see how things unfold for tomorrow, because we are hatched in a good part of central Louisiana down through western Acadiana on through southwest Louisiana, hatched in for a risk of excessive rainfall by the Weather Prediction Center, and we're in the level 3 out of 4, so a fairly high risk, especially southwest Louisiana, western Louisiana, where we've had that heavy rain. So as we look at the infrared satellite channel, we see the storms flaring up offshore earlier today, quiet now, but we'll probably see another flare-up developing later on tonight. Out into the tropics we go. We have one tropical storm out here. This is Bud. This Bud is not for you. He's going to become a depression with time, and it will be a forgettable name system. Meanwhile, the Atlantic basin, nice and quiet. We showed you the last couple of days, the dust out there. Well, we do have a couple of good-looking tropical waves or monsoonal trough waves coming off the African coastline, and the more waves you see there, the less sand gets in the air. First, you get it kicks up a lot of sand, but the more tropical waves, the less dust you're going to see getting into the atmosphere. And this wave right now is being picked up by the models, the long-range planetary models, 2 to 3 weeks out, saying that this area will be a potential for development as we go into the first week of August. Second week of August, may see another system developing out here, and of course the Eastern Pacific will probably be busy as well. So as we stay in the red with high moisture content, on and off showers and storms, we'll be tracking that wave that comes off the African coast. The Euro on 3 model runs, 12Z yesterday, 0Z last night, and 12Z today, developing a system that will impact the Caribbean in the 7 to 10 day time frame. And as we said earlier this year, if there's activity in the Caribbean, there's more likelihood of a hit somewhere in the Western Hemisphere from the U.S. down through Mexico and Central America. So showers and storms kicking off again tomorrow. Activity on the latest HER model holding off until the afternoon, evening hours, but just about at any time during the day. It's very hard to model this type of pattern. And on and off showers and storms will continue as we head into Friday. And rainfall totals, most of us seeing 1 to 2 or less, but look at southwest Louisiana, much higher amounts. This is the latest HER model, and even along the upper Texas coast, some big rain totals just over the next 48 hours. And then we compare that with the graph model indicating much the same, with a big soaking southwest Louisiana. Graph a little bit hotter, but some spots could see some localized flooding still. We're not out of the woods yet in this super wet pattern. So lingering showers tonight, few storms possible late tonight into tomorrow, and then more scattered showers and thunder showers, mostly cloudy skies, maybe warm enough to get up into the upper 80s. Friday, we'll tone down the rain chance a little bit, but it's back up Saturday. But as we head deeper into the weekend and next week, activity becomes scattered and your rain chances going down. That means the temperatures going up and more normal summer weather, so you can get out and cut the grass for next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more later on.